Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn some important Dutch vocabulary related to gezondheid en lichaam. Whether you are going to the doctor or just want to talk about how you're feeling, these words will help you get by in Dutch. Let's get started. First, let's start with some basic body parts. These are useful to know when you're talking about your health. Hoofd. Hoofd is your head. If you have a headache, you would say, ik heb hoofdpijn. Hoofd. Ogen. Your ogen are your eyes. If you need glasses, you might say, ik heb een bril nodig. Ogen. Oren. Oren are ears. Oren. Mond. Mond is the Dutch word for mouth. Mond. Handen. Your hands are called handen. You use them every day. Voeten. Voeten are your feet. If your feet hurt, you can say, mijn voeten doen pijn. Now let's look at some important words related to health. Ziek. If you're feeling unwell, you can say, ik ben ziek. Koorts. When you have a fever, the word in Dutch is koorts. For example, ik heb koorts. Pijn. Pijn is the Dutch word for pain. If something hurts, you can say, het doet pijn. Verkouden. If you catch a cold, you can say, ik ben verkouden. Dokter. If you need to see a doctor, you say, ik moet naar de dokter. Now let's look at some useful phrases for when you visit the doctor. Waar heeft u pijn? This is a question the doctor might ask you. Ik heb pijn in mijn. You can finish the sentence with the body part, like hoofd or rug. For example, ik heb pijn in mijn rug. Hoe lang bent u ziek? Another common question you might hear from a doctor. Neem dit medicijn 1 keer per dag. The doctor or pharmacist might give you this instruction. Let's go over some few more useful phrases that you can use to talk about your health. Ik voel me niet goed. This is useful when you're not sure what exactly is wrong, but you want to explain that you are unwell. Ik heb last van mijn keel. Last van is a phrase to use to describe discomfort. Ik ben moe. You can use this phrase to express that you're feeling exhausted. Ik heb rust nodig. This is important when you need to relax and recover. That's all for today's video. Now you know some keywords and phrases to talk about your body and health in Dutch. Don't forget to practice these words the next time you're feeling under the weather or visiting a doctor in the Netherlands. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Dutch lessons. See you next time. Tot ziens!